In the year 550 before Christ, a young man named Cyrus gathered a huge and powerful army from the scattered tribes of Persia and marched with it to face his grandfather Astagus, the king of the Medes. Cyrus was able to achieve victory over him and crowned himself as the king of Media and Persia, and he was in the process of establishing the Persian Empire. Cyrus continued to expand his empire as his victories followed in rapid succession, so he was able to defeat the ruler of Lydia and invaded many Greek islands, then marched on Babylon. He crushed it and added it to his kingdom, so he became Cyrus the Great, the king of the world. After that, he turned his eyes to the east as the half-barbarous Masajitai tribes that spread over a vast area on the Caspian Sea, and they were strong and ferocious under the leadership of their queen Tomiris. Cyrus marched in the year 529 before Christ towards the kingdom of the Masajitai and camped on the Araxes River with his mighty army. And there he received a letter from the Queen Tomiris advising him to abandon this invasion and return to his home, but he refused this offer and kept moving. And he clashed with the forces of the Masajitai and was able to capture the leader Spargapizis, the son of the queen. Then he continued moving, and the queen again corresponded with Cyrus and advised him to release her son and withdraw from her country, so he mocked her and refused to release her son and continued moving. And when the queen's son knew that he wouldn't be released, he couldn't stand the humiliation and killed himself. Here, the queen went crazy and became very angry, so she gathered all the forces in her kingdom and aroused their enthusiasm with the obsession of revenge and faced Cyrus' forces in a violent and bloody battle. And she was the victor at the end of it, and they defeated the Persian army and killed Cyrus himself. After his death, the Persian Empire quickly dissolved, and therefore one foolish and arrogant act ruined all the good work of Cyrus. Bit to remember, don't go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop.